welcome to today's video, lads. A little bit of a different video today. So my buddy Randy from Illiminate'S, as you guys know, he bought that pink 34 and he revealed it on his Instagram, but he can't get to Japan because of COVID and travel restrictions, so he can't really film the official reveal video on his YouTube channel. So, cue SAMMIT. Your boy here lives in Japan and helps all the bros out. So, in short, we're going to the storage yard today. This is the second time I've tried filming this video for him. The first time the car was completely out of gas and wouldn't even run. It like idled for a little bit and shut itself off because it was that empty. So I've got a full tank of gas, well, a full jerry can of gas in the back. We're gonna fill up his car with some gas. Randy, you owe me gas money. And then we're gonna go and do a walk around, show his car, film some clips for him and stuff like that, and probably do a nice big burnout. So if you're excited to see an R34 with the 1JZ in it do a burnout, a pink R34, a car that I'm very jealous about that Andy got to it before I could, then stick around. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's do it.
All right, so first things first, we're gonna put some gas in Randy's car. So let's go carry this up there, and hopefully we can fit the jerry can and myself between the cars because it's parked in there pretty tight. Well, here's the beast. And this is what I meant when squeezing in between cars here to get gas in it. Make sure I don't clip that key and snap it straight off. Done that before. All right. Let's get some gas in this thing. We got to change the battery too. None of these two here work. All this work we're doing for Randy. Oh man. So I'm actually really excited about Randy getting this car because it means when he's finally able to travel here, we can do some fun shenanigans. Go to Aoba-Ku circuit. We can teach him how to really drive in a good setup car. We'll get this thing soft in the rear, firm in the front, a lot of grip. None of that stance boy rubbish, you know? Love you, Randy. But yeah, no, I'm just pumped because it's so good to get so many, like my friends that are YouTubers and stuff like that, get them cars over here and so that we can all drive together and have fun and make content together. Like, it's just hanging with your bros, you know what I mean? And this thing is thirsty. You really tell this tank was empty. It's probably not gonna even show there's any gas in it on the gauge because it was that empty. It was running on fumes. Didn't cheap out either, got the high octane stuff. All right. Don't want to give him all of it. I need some for my lawnmower. Yes, I run my lawnmower on high octane. All right, let's get my battery pack on this thing, get it moved out, and then we'll change the battery and good to go. All right, moment of truth, boys. First things first, let's get this window down so I can squeeze through the window. Oh yeah, that sounds way better now. Fuel pump's just not screaming dry. Sure she's in neutral? Ooh. Oh, gotta restart the battery pack again. There we go. Not too bad. Let it warm up a bit and then we'll get it moving. So we got this thing out of its car park, and what I think is hilarious, right? We put pretty much 18 liters in this thing because there's about 2 liters left, and now it shows the empty orange yellow light. So this thing was so empty it wouldn't even show the orange light, and you can even see that the dial now isn't even above the empty line. So this thing was so empty, I just put 18 liters in it, and it's only now started showing the yellow light, and it's below empty. So yeah, this thing was completely dead, dry, empty, and running on fumes the other day when I was trying to get it running. So anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down for now. I'm going to shoot Randy's video, and then we'll pick it back up when we do the burnout, I guess. All right, guys, so I'm at the point now in Randy's video where we're gonna do a burnout. I'm gonna set you guys up the back here next to the Evo. Haha, don't worry, we're gonna get into that soon. But yeah, this thing's cool. It's so weird jumping and driving a 34 Skyline that sounds like a JZX. It's bizarre, I can't explain it. Anyways, let's put you guys here. You're probably gonna get the best audio experience. Let's do a skid. That did not go according to plan.
front tires are so long.
Front tires have no tread on them whatsoever, so it just keeps pushing the car forward no matter how many chocks we put under the wheel. Damn it, we need to do something about this.
Definitely needs new tires.
Yeah, it needs new tires bad. But it sounds great. You guys want some Limmy Bang? All right. So it sounds pretty healthy.
So as a fellow Australian, I feel like I need to apologize for the poor performance that I just did in this car. As you can see, these white lines here on both sides, these are from concrete chocks that I put under the front wheels. The front wheels are so bald, it doesn't matter when I jump on the brakes, they just slide. Like, look at this. It just slid here and pushed through. So the thing needs some new tires and some grippy tires up the front, that's for sure. I guess the rear, I don't know, like, maybe if we put some water down we could get it to do a skid, but I don't know, I don't think it's worth it. The thing sounded great, sounded nice and healthy, cleared out its throat, bit of a some rev bangs, it's pretty good. But yeah, bummer man, I wanted to do a huge burnout in this thing.
I think I know what happened.
What?
So whenever you would let go, the car would go forward a bit and it would climb on the rocks. And it was just, even if you have the brakes on, the tires aren't on the ground.
Yeah, I think you're right there, actually. That makes sense.
Right.
Woo! Oh, there's all the smoke. Oh, it's inside the boot.
Yep.
Look at it all. Yeah, I'm 90% sure that was third gear. Wow. These old tires didn't really smoke that much, eh? But they left a bunch of rubber.
They're shooting out flames through the tires.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. It just stringed it.
Yeah, these tires are really old. Look at that. It's hair. It's not too bad.
Are we getting laser pointed right now?
Yep, we are. I hope it's not a sniper.
Oh, you knocked my camera over.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. That's fine. All right, we're gonna dip. There's a neighbor who's not very happy at us pointing a laser pointer constantly at us. So we're gonna bounce. Successfully escaped to Yashio Factory. I'm actually just here because I have an epic dinner tonight. May's gonna meet me up here. Why am I walking out of the light, Sam? I'm a terrible vlogger. May's gonna meet me up here. She's gonna catch the train from work and we're gonna have dinner with Oko-chan and his family. We like to try and do this as often as we can. At least, we try once a week, but you know, these days it's like once a fortnight because we're both so busy. But I wanted to show you some of the cool projects that Oko-chan has here that he's got working on in the workshop right now. We saw this the other day actually at Scuba 1000. This is Kunuma Tani-san's car, and it's beautiful. It's in that like new Mazda red, which is just
incredible. This carbon fiber wing, this GT wing, is really nice. I kind of want a big wing on my S15, but I also don't know. Like, I think if I was to put a wing on my S15, it'd have to be like this one on Oka-chan's competition time attack car, which is missing the carbon fiber doors right now. See how it comes from the middle and out? I think I prefer that style where it's like skinnier in the middle than the long one here where it's like the legs are longer, further stretched out. I don't know, just my personal preference. But this thing is beautiful. RGD 3 wheels. The red just looks so good. And this is my favorite thing, is how he did this fade from the red to the carbon for the hood. So when I get a new hood for my car, we're definitely going to be doing that. And then over here, this customer's 180 is getting, I believe, over fenders and just over fenders, Ishii-san? And knuckles, yeah, so the Yashio Factory knuckles that Oka-chan's made for it. Getting extended tie rod ends and stuff as well, so I'll show you really quickly in here. Oh, these have got the old Z32 brakes because they got these ridges on them. That's cool. Love those. Let's get under here and show you. Oka-chan already made the knuckles today. Might be hard to see. The low light's pretty good though, but yeah. You see that they're cut, dropped, and shortened and welded back together. Literally the best knuckles to put on your car. Same jig that Naoki uses down in Osaka. But yeah. Our new coilovers, so the new Yashio Factory coilovers too. Hell yeah, these things are nice. This is what I run in my S15 too. It's the reverse style too, so you do the adjustment from the bottom. So it's really good at track days. You don't need to open the hood and stuff. You just turn the wheel and lean in there and adjust it. But yeah, this one's already got a bunch of Yashio Factory parts on there. The R35 GTR airflow meter. I believe they're running upgraded Nismo injectors? No, still factory OEM injectors, so I think they're probably getting that done too. But I mean, let's be honest, you don't really need to upgrade injectors, just a little bit of a boost increase, setting, bit of timing, and this thing will still feel good even with stock injectors. But you start getting I think he's just still got the factory turbo on here. Yeah, he does. It's not even an S14 turbo or 15, so yeah, don't need bigger injectors until you upgrade the turbo on these things. Anyways, thought I'd show you and give you a little bit of an update. Oh, I like this. This plate here with the Yashio Factory sticker looks cool. I dig that a lot. It's got the Yashio Factory radiator, the top radiator hose, also the oil cap. Let's see if he's got any interior stuff. Yashio Factory spin turn knob, the little drift button, and an old school shift knob too. Very old one. That's cool. So I think I'm actually going to wrap up today's video here. But before we go, for everyone who's watching from Randy's channel, hi. Welcome to the channel. I hope you stick around. If you love Japanese cars, if you love drifting, if you love like restoring cars and projects and insane builds, we've got some really cool big plans. At the moment, we're in the process of finding a shop and buying our own workshop and stuff so that we can expand more, bring all my cars in, get hoists and everything like that. The channel's going to expand even more at that point. But right now, we're kind of in this in-between period, working with real estate agents, trying to find one. But anyways, if you like all that kind of stuff that I've mentioned, if you scroll through my channel and had a look at some of my content and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And yeah, we're all on this journey together. I'm excited. Also, the main point initially of me starting my whole channel was to film and document my journey to getting into competitive drifting here in Japan and entering competitions and stuff and getting to FD or D1 standards. And we're getting close. We are right there. Hopefully we get my license soon. But anyways, with that, guys, smash the like button, write us a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out. Jamata.